Now that we know how to use includes, we are going to see how to use that in a real website example. We're going to create a website for a web development company. This website is going to have a home page, an About Us page, portfolio, contact us page, and a form the customer can fill out to submit a request for a quote. This website is going to reside in a subdirectory of the realworldprogramming-thebasics.com website, the subdirectory being RTFM. The company name is RTFM Development. We have a files directory, images directory, includes, JS for JavaScript, and a styles directory for our cascading style sheet. So first, we have to create our global headers and footers. I have here the index page. We're going to chop it up, create a definitions.inc.php file to define the includes directory, and create our header and footer includes. So here I have our definitions. This is the base directory of the website, and this is our include path, our base directory plus the directory includes. So we save that inside the files directory. There we go. Now back to our index page. First, we're going to separate the header from the body content. Create a separate file for that, and we will save that in our includes directory and call it header.inc.php. Next, we'll pull out our footer content. Create a separate file for that and save it in the includes directory called footer.inc.php. Now back in our index page, we include our definitions file. Which will, if you remember, in turn define what our includes file is. So all we have to do is include header.inc.php as a header, and down the bottom include footer.inc.php as our footer. So that just leaves us with the body, the page content here. So we save that, and this page, when I refresh it, shouldn't look any different. There we go. We have our header, we have our footer, and it's all included in this page. So I'm going to go ahead now and create the rest of the pages using our global header and footer includes. First we have the About Us page. I'll just copy and paste this. Insert the content. Like to keep our code nice and neat, even our page content nice and neat. Makes it easier to edit. And now that this page is created, we'll save that as about.php inside our files directory. And that is our About Us page. Whoops. Okay, that's a great example of what can sometimes happen when you're copying and pasting. See here all the warnings we're getting here that says it failed to find the definitions file. It's because when I copied it from the index page, I didn't remove where the files directory call from that definitions page. So I'll just remove that now, resave that, and there we go. Now we have our About Us page. now all I'm going to do is replace the site content in here with our contact information. Save that as contact.php, and we have a contact page. Because our last two pages, the portfolio and the request a quote page, are going to be specialized, I'm just going to go ahead and save them as templates. This page is portfolio.php and quote.php. So now that we have all the pages created, we can go ahead and add the special content.